Hi everyone, how are you?
I am Jonathan and this is my new tutorial. As you may have noticed, there are eyes of every variety, but we will try to enclose them into a single structure.
To perform a manga eye, we will follow 4 important steps. 1. Skeleton. 2. Base form. 3. Expression. 4. Execution and detail. Now we are going to make manga style eyes. But first, we must see how a human eye is made. Looks like a rugby ball. Make a sample circle. It is the eyeball. Make a cross. It represents the perspective of your eye. Make it look frontal or like this. Doesn't matter. I will do it this way. The skeleton is a guiding form that will represent the eyeball, its position, proportion and perspective when performing the other 4 steps. Unless you don't want the typical alien eye, have a minimum proportion please. Base form. A trick to make the typical manga eye, but also originals, is to choose a geometric base form with which we will give character to the eye. Depending on the form you choose, you can express part of your character personality. We will test with a circle, a square and a rhombus. Three. Expression. Here I will make the circle more closed, and the movement of the eyebrow will be like this. I will do the same with the other eyes. Here we will give expression outlining the eye opening by enlarging or reducing the shape. Remember to respect the proportion of the skeleton, do not overdo it, and adding a line that will represent the position of the eyebrow. We will play with these 2 steps to create an expression. With the guides prepared so far, we have the basis for our eye. Indicate the direction of the look and let's continue with the realization. Execution and detail. A manga eye is usually made with stylized lines respecting a base shape. In this case, I will give the round shape with 2 lines, but I can do it with 3 or even 1 line, or go to a more detailed eye. Now we will draw the thickness and characteristic of the eyelashes. It's random. Thick eyelashes, delicate, detailed or stylized. Go with a triangle, 2 or 1,000 triangles. It can be inspired by your favorite characters. The eyebrow. Square, triangular or round. Follow a base shape like the eye and give it characteristic. It's much simple. Pupils. Well, I imagine that you will have seen enough manga to know that there are no normal pupils. Sometimes the pupils aren't even there. A trick for the pupils is to close the eyes, throw 2 circles and see what comes out. On the strokes are throwing, it's time to clean your drawer. Add details, a couple of shadows, and you are ready for inking and color. Congratulations! You know how to draw manga style. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want a particular tutorial, write to us in the comment box and support me on Instagram, Pinterest and in my Etsy store, where you will see paracord survival accessories. Here's the final result. Best of luck and until next time.